Hello, my name is Parker Humphrey, and I will be critiquing today Peyton Henderson's photos. I am in section 201 of ANS 280. After looking through all of Peyton's photographs, I'm going to critique my favorite one, and then I'm going to critique my least favorite one. I'm going to start with my favorite one. So this was my favorite one because I loved how in focus she was. This was the only image that when I was looking through them that I wasn't looking at other things in the photo. I was literally only focused on her. She is just very in focus, and there's something about her features on her face that are lit up really nicely to make them so captivating. Um, for the use, or for the parts of the image that we were supposed to talk about, I just want to talk about how well I liked this model's outfits with the background the best. I thought that the green up against the green, it usually would not be something that a photographer would want to photograph, but in this sense, when you're trying to really get captivating pictures of models, you want what they're wearing very undistracting. And I just think that this green, it is very undistracting because it matches so well with the wall behind her. The lighting is really, really nice in this photo. There's not any shadow. Well, there are shadows, but they're honestly necessary to make her, look human and realistic, but there are not any shadows that are like distracting or or in the way or taking like overpowering a part of the image. I just love the way the exposure is on her face, and I love how bright it is. Her face is a little bit overexposed, but that's nothing that Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator can't fix. With just some editing, that's sometimes really hard to get. I love the texture in her hair. It looks soft, but not like unrealistically soft. It doesn't look fake. It looks real. I like the lighting on her hair. I like that it just shows that there's kind of like a light shining on her. I also like this picture so much because of the background again. Um, Although you can edit out like marks in the background of images, this image just really does not have a lot of marks on the back green wall that a editor would have to edit out. It's just like another step towards an easier perfected photo. And then I like the placement of where she is in this photo. It goes with the grid photo, and it just looks really, it's like her placing in the photo just looks really nice and is like really captivating for this image. I guess that's all I can say about this image. So now I'll talk about my least favorite image.